Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by FII. First, let us look at global cues. And I told you already today morning, the data from US were contradictory. The Wednesday, the private sector jobs data came bad, and Thursday, the US jobless claim data came good. And today morning, the US markets pre-market trades, it was very jittery because today is the important US jobs report. At 6 p.m. as expected, the data came, and the data, contrary to the Wednesday data, today's data seems to be really very good. And the consensus estimate was 870k jobs added, but the data came, it was 943k. That's almost like close to 1000k. So this is a very good figure, and because of that, the US futures, the Dow future was trading around 90-100 point lower. Now it has gone to 70-80 point in green. Of course, Nasdaq future is slightly lower, so we have to see when 7 p.m. when the market opens, we have to see how it opens. Coming back to local cues, the last 2 days, it was selling in mid cap and small cap and the broader market. The buying was restricted to only the large cap stocks, and particularly the stocks where usually FIIs show interest. And of course, the Reliance and Bharti Airtel, because of Vodafone. Today in the pre-market report, I mentioned that this retrospective tax amendment, so it seems that it's good for Vodafone, but I'm not very clear what is the impact. And I also told you it seems that some people know this already. That's why yesterday itself, from the low, the Vodafone recovered a lot. And today, as expected, it opened 10% gap up, and then it went up to 20%. And today morning, I just gave one report. If this is good for Vodafone Idea, then it should be good for State Bank of India also, and it should be bad for Reliance and Bharti Airtel. But contrary to my expectation, the State Bank of India continued to fall. The day they declared the result, and every brokerage house was very bullish, giving a target of 750 and 800 rupees, but nobody has given a bearish report. But State Bank of India has fallen from 460 to 430 in the last 3 days alone. So, well, that is why I always say the market is all about fundamentals in the long term, but in the short term, it's not about the fundamentals. It is about the positioning in F&O as well as in the cash market. Sometimes good results, the share price falls. That's because people expecting the good results, they would have bought and they book the profit. But Reliance, as expected, it has fallen, and in fact, Reliance has fallen 2%. The impact of idea. So that's why I gave that very catchy title, Idea to Drag Reliance. And today, the Nifty has fallen about 60-70 point, and half of that fall came only from Reliance. And of course, HDFC also shot up more than 250 rupees, and today that came under severe profit booking. But however, private banking stocks are still good. And today, HDFC Bank has hit a high of 1500. I'm talking about futures. Just on the day of expiry, it was even trading below 1420. So it was about 80 point rise in the last 1 week. The 80 point in HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank has about 1/3 weightage for Bank Nifty. So 80 point, if you see in terms of percentage, it should be about 6%. and that alone would have contributed 2% for Bank Nifty. That means Bank Nifty would have shot up 700 points just because of HDFC Bank. So tomorrow Bank of Baroda results is there. So we have to see on Monday how the State Bank of India will continue to fall or it will stabilize and move higher. And today the name of the game is consolidation. So though market has fallen, the India VIX has also fallen. So when the market falls, if India VIX also falls, so that means the fall is not likely to continue. It's not going to fall like 300, 400, 500 points. So because it has shot up recently, due to the profit booking, there is some fall. So that's why the India VIX is falling. And the Bank Nifty was very surprisingly, in the last 5-10 minutes, it has shot up nearly 150 points. So that is something good. Today, in fact, Nifty ended in red and Bank Nifty ended in green. So the FII data still has not come, and I'm sure FII data should be positive. And the open interest also, I think where I'm checking, I think there is some updation problem. So anyway, we will update it during the Dalal Street Week Ahead program on Sunday. So you can see the nice shirt. So it's a Friday evening time, so party time. And the people ask me, sir, where do you go for party? So in Chennai, there are plenty of bars, plenty of pubs, plenty of clubs. So I have friends who are members in almost all the clubs in Chennai. So today I'll be going to Cosmopolitan Club. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.